Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this internship video series, today we have an incredible opportunity from Microsoft. Microsoft has announced yesterday a software engineering internship opportunity. And this particular software engineering internship opportunity will be available in multiple locations for India. And the discipline of this internship is software engineering, and it is a full-time internship program, and the work location is Microsoft on-site only. What are the qualifications for this software engineering internship program from Microsoft? Pursuing bachelor or a master degree in your engineering, or it could be a computer science, or it could be a IT, or it could be your artificial intelligence, data science, or any other related field. This is the first qualification. And the second one is must have at least one additional quarter or the semester of the school remaining following the completion of this internship, which means whoever is pursuing seventh semester or else whoever pursuing the final year of their college, they can apply. And along with that, 1 year programming experience in any object-oriented language. It could be a Python, Java, or it could be C#, .NET. This could be an additional advantage of this internship opportunities. And what will be the roles and responsibilities of these internship opportunities? Apply the engineering principles in order to solve the complex problem through creative programming skills. And you should be a quick learner, and you have to apply new engineering methods, and you have to incorporate in your day-to-day activities. And also you have to seek the feedback and apply the internal or industry best practices in order to improve your technical solutions. And final one is you have to demonstrate your skill in terms of time management and how to complete your software project in a cooperative team environment. These are the responsibilities of this software engineering internship opportunity. And if you're interested for this opportunity, you can please click the apply button to apply for this internship opportunities. And what are the benefits that you can expect from this internship opportunities? This particular benefits or perks will be varied depending upon the nature of your employment with your Microsoft and the country you work, like educational resources, maternity and paternity leave, opportunities to network and connect, and you have discounts on certain products and services, and giving programs and industry leading healthcare opportunities. These are the benefits you may be expecting from the internship, and this could vary country wise, and this could be vary your nature of employment with your Microsoft. For such type of internship related opportunities, please do visit my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Start with Jenna, and please support me in this YouTube journey. And I curated a playlist according to coding challenges, hackathon challenges, the latest trending updates, scholarship opportunities, internship opportunities, and the free certification opportunities. All you can see in that playlist. And if you're not having any time, please do check out my shorts. This shorts is having the latest trending technology updates and the cutting edge technology trends which are there in the market. And this will have a time duration of only 1 minute. You can just explore the shorts which are being curated. Please share this information to your friends, colleagues, your neighbors, your lovable ones. They will also get benefited from this playlist. Thank you so much for your support and your extended help. And I'm looking forward to everyone. Please have this playlist at least in a month or in a day whenever you're getting time. Please do visit all the playlist and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you so much for watching.